I'm Kayla with Kayla's Cricut Creations, and I'm so excited for this video because I am working with Creative Fabrica as they team up with Siser for Christmas in July. In today's video, we're diving into the festive spirit with a fun Christmas ornament project using Siser Htv. And guess what? For the month of July only, you can get an amazing Christmas gift valued at $55, including Siser Htv and tools when you purchase Creative Fabrica's yearly all-access subscription, or extend your current subscription by 1 year for only $47. This gift is available in the United States, contiguous US, Canada, Europe, Australia, and New Zealand. Find all information in the links below. This deal is perfect for all you crafters out there looking to elevate your holiday projects. You'll get unlimited access to Creative Fabrica at a highly discounted price, plus free craft materials from Siser. It's the perfect match. Included in the gift package is $55 worth of premium crafting supplies from Siser. Included are Siser EasyWeed Rainbow Sampler containing 12 11.8-inch by 12-inch HTV sheets, and the Siser Essential Tool Set featuring an Easy Weeder and high-quality tweezers. This gift needs to be redeemed after purchase, which can be done via creativefabrica.com/Siser. The 1-year all-access deal needs to be bought from Creative Fabrica between July 1st and July 31st. So let's get crafting and make something magical. Here's the materials I'll be using to create the wood ornaments. I've already chosen a festive design from Creative Fabrica's extensive library. I'll cut it out using my Siser Juliet cutting machine. The EasyWeed HTV cuts so smoothly and weeds like a dream, making this process a breeze. Now that our design is cut, we'll carefully weed out the excess vinyl. This is one of my favorite parts because you really start to see the design come to life. Now I'm going to press the design onto the ornament. I'm using my heat press. I set the temperature to 280 degrees and press for 6 seconds. When I press onto wood, I bring down the recommended time and temperature to prevent the material from getting overpressed or scorched, and we're done. Look at how vibrant and crisp the design looks. That is the magic of Siser EasyWeed HTV. We'd love to see when you receive your gifts and the crafts you make with them. Tag Siser and Creative Fabrica and include the hashtag CFSiser Christmas in July. Find the social links as well as information and links about the Christmas in July all-access deal with the free Siser Christmas gift in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching.